There is nothing more infuriating. You're deep into a tutorial, watching a podcast, or maybe just watching your favorite YouTuber, and suddenly the image locks up. Maybe the audio keeps going, maybe the whole browser page becomes unresponsive. If you are using Google Chrome on a PC and YouTube keeps freezing, you are not alone. It's usually a tug-of-war between your browser and your computer's graphic hardware. Today I'm showing you 4 specific ways to fix this, ranging from a quick keyword trick when it happens live, to a hidden secret setting deep in Chrome that solves the issue for most people. Let's get it fixed. First, what do you do when it happens right now? You don't want to close your whole browser and lose your other 20 open tabs. Instead of forcing Chrome to close, we are going to snipe it. Just the frozen YouTube tab. Chrome has its own internal task manager on your keyboard. Press Shift and Escape. This window shows you every process Chrome is running. Find the tab labeled YouTube, click it, and then hit the End Process button at the bottom. Pretty freaking cool. The tab will crash immediately, freeing up the logged resources. Now just refresh that page and the video should reload perfectly without you having to restart the whole browser. That first fix is a temporary band-aid. Now let's look at the most common root cause: hardware acceleration. Normally Chrome borrows your graphic card, your GPU, to help render videos smoothly. But sometimes the handoff between Chrome and your GPU glitches out, causing the freeze. Turning this feature off forces Chrome to use your CPU instead, which is often much more stable for video playback. To do this, go to the 3 dots in the top right corner and click Settings. On the left sidebar, click on System. You'll see a toggle that says Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Turn that off. Chrome will ask you to relaunch the browser to apply the change. Do that, and for about 60% of you, the freezing issue will be gone completely. If you disabled hardware acceleration and you're still seeing stutters, or if the video now looks a little choppy, we need to bring out the big guns. We are going into the Chrome Flags menu. These are experimental developer features, but this specific one is a lifesaver for video stability. In your address bar, type Chrome/flags and hit enter. Be careful in here, only change what we are looking for. In the search box at the top, type in angle. You are looking for an option called Choose Angle Graphics Backend. By default, it's usually on D3, D11. We want to change this to D3, D9. Why D3, D9? D3, D9 is an older rendering protocol, but it is incredibly stable and plays much nicer with YouTube video players on many Windows PCs. Change it to D3, D9. Relaunch Chrome at the bottom and test your videos. Personally, this is the one that worked for me, so good luck. Finally, none of these fixes will hold up long term if your foundation is weak. YouTube uses modern high-definition video formats like AV1 and VP9. If your graphic card's drivers are 2 years old, they literally don't know how to read those formats efficiently, leading to freezes. Whether you have NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics, open their control software today and check for updates. Don't rely on Windows Update for this. Go straight to the source software. Between snipping the tab for a quick fix, disabling hardware acceleration, or changing that secret angle flag, your YouTube playback should be smooth again. However, keep in mind that a lot of this does depend on your internet connection, your PC build, and other items that weren't discussed today. I'm hoping that one of these does help you out, but if it doesn't, just let me know and I'll do my best to obviously help you with this. But let me know down in the comments which of these 4 fixes solved it for your specific setup. It really helps other people find the right solution. If this video saved you from throwing your PC out the window again, please hit the like button and subscribe for more practical tech fixes. Thank you for watching.